Hello everybody, it's Bub again, starting on homesteading. It's time to start cooking my sap. I started this morning and we're getting the sap boiled down to make maple syrup. This is not the best way to do it. I'm using a camp cook stove. It's electric, and plus I got the roaster oven over here going. What I do is I put it in the roaster oven because I keep it in the refrigerator and it's cold. So I put it in the roaster oven to heat it up and get it warm. And then I put it into this pan over here to start boiling it off. And all I do is when that goes down, I just add just a little bit more. Take this right here, just dip it in, and you can tell it's already getting a little bit golden color. And I just pour it in there, and make sure you keep it stirred. You don't want to burn the bottom of your don't want to burn your sap. But it's starting to get that little bit of gold look to it. I say a lot, don't I? But it takes a long time to do this right here. I mean, I'll be here all day and probably won't get done. But I got 20 gallons of sap to do. It takes a while. I want to do it on the turkey fryer, but it hurts my back pocket, so I don't think I'm going to buy a $70, $80 turkey fryer to do maple syrup. You want to see exactly how cheap I am? Here you go. Hold on a second. Take a look at my new tripod. Ain't it pretty? I'm so cheap. I just put stuff together. It works. I got my little screw up there to screw my camera onto it and everything else. But back to the sap. Oh, let's go here. What she had, smell it too, because you can smell that maple syrup now. I mean, it's got that real sweet smell to it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Once I get it good. Oh, don't do this in your house. This steam will get your house sticky. Oh my God, I made that mistake the first time. But yeah, it gets everything sticky. I'm doing it in the garage today because it was raining this morning, so I didn't want these electric stoves out in the rain. Let me set you back up here. All right. Well, I guess that's about all I can show you right now. I mean, if you're doing this right here, make sure you got a project that can keep you busy while you're doing this, because this is boring. I mean, it's like watching paint dry, even worse. But let me show you my project that I was doing. I built another rabbit hutch. So that's what kept me busy for probably 3 or 4 hours getting that together. Alright. Get another shot of my pretty little tripod. Alright. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to get off here. And if you would, hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment. I love the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, I can't even talk. Subscribe. Please do so. Y'all have a good. Thanks. Bye.